Welcome to Saad Educare, episode 4, Venn diagram. This is a very interesting topics because this video has no number or anything. Here is lots of images. So what is our question? Question is write the levels for the Venn diagram. So level, so we just write a line, something. So first we consider what is in here. Here is helicopter, here is a balloon, here is a plane, here is a bee or any kinds of insects who can fly. This is a bird, and also this is bee. And look, this is man, this is lion, and this is elephant. So have any similarity? We know in Venn diagram, in middle portion, which is overlap each circle. Here is two circle, but middle portion is both part. So what is the similarity right side and left side of this circle? Look, in left side we are seeing here everything can be fly, right? So 1, 2 and 3, these things can fly, but this has no life, right? It can fly by, or it should be controlled by diesel or anything, so it has no life. And middle portion, look, these are birds or insects can be fly and it has life. Similar in right side, man, lion and elephant has life but cannot fly. So we can write here can fly, or we can say fly, and this is life, right? So this middle portion, birds has life and also can fly, and in life man, elephant or lion has life but cannot fly. Similar, helicopter or aeroplane can fly but has no life. So this is the right thing. One circle is fly, another circle is life. Thank you very much. If you think this video is helping you, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you.